Okay guys, this is the light. Water bottle light, kayak hack. Okay, I'll show you how I made it. It's my stern light for my kayak. It's really bright. You've seen this maybe done with a ping pong ball, but this I believe is like 10 times brighter than that. Really bright and pretty cheap to make, so let me show you how I made it. All right folks, so today what we're going to be making is a water bottle laser light, kayak light, okay? I'm thinking this is the first time this has been done for a kayak. I was just messing around with the bottle and the light, and I found that it was, wow, really bright. So long story short, I figured I want to make this for the stern light for my boat. I'm going to show you how I'm going to make this. Let's get rocking and rolling. Okay, so this is a 2-inch threaded cap. What you guys is get a hole drilled in the center of the cap with an 1 3/8 drill bit. Okay, and I'll show you what we do after that. Let's get that rolling. Okay, let's get that sanded up and we'll see what that looks like. So we have that hole drilled. I have a 1-inch bushing cap, which I'm gonna throw through the inside. Okay, then that's gonna go with a coupling to a mast, 1-inch mast. But before that, we need to drill the hole, a 7/8 hole in our cap so that the light goes through. Well, let's do that next. On that cap as best you can with a few lines, and then we'll drill a pilot hole here. Okay, let's get our 7/8 bit on there and drill our hole. Okay, let's clean that up. We have both our holes drilled. We can get this through here. I wish that was a little bit better centered, but that's not overly important. Let's get that through here, and then we can glue our coupling on and get that tightened up. Technical difficulties. I thought it was filming. I messed it up a little bit. Regardless, I have my bushing inside here. Okay, I glued my coupling on after sticking it through the hole in the cap. And then I glued my mast on. And now we're going to find out where to drill the hole so that we can hold our light in place right here. So let me show you how we do that. Okay, so we're going to slide the light down the tube, and it's going to hit the bottom, and we need to find out where it's going to hit. I'm thinking it's going to be right around where that P is. So to double check that, we'll just spin this around, and we'll drop it down the tube this way. Okay, it's going to light the tube up for us, and that's exactly where we're going to drill our hole right there. So I'm going to just give it a little bit of leeway and drill it pretty much just below that P, the line of the P. So let's get a hole drilled there. So we're going to get this drilled right around yay. And drill that right there. Now we have a little hole for our pin. Where is it? There she is. Let's give that a shot, see how that works down there. And as you can see, oh, can you see it? Where is it? Okay, there we go. Just barely, a little too close. So next time you gotta give it like, you know, a good 1/8 of an inch. Okay, because when you spin it around, it's just a little bit different because the rubber at the end goes over. So not a big deal. I'm gonna pull that light out and just shave a hair off on the grinder. That should do it. Okay, smooth. Let's drop that down and see what that looks like. Silicone that in like that so it'd be nice and lightweight. Then put a pin here and drop the light in and out as I needed it. But what I discovered as I was going along here is I can turn the light on and off from the inside like this. So all we have to do is push down and I can turn that light on and shut it off. So I can leave the light right in there. The only other thing we have to do is we need to get one of these bad boys and screw that in the top here. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do this with a phone here. So that's going to be screwed in. When it's siliconed in, and now then we can just unscrew the cap, turn it on, put the cap back on, and our light's on. So it's a lot easier. This will be permanent. The light will stay right in there. Let's give that a shot before we silicone this. That looks really good. All right guys, let me show you what this looks like in the dark. Okay, this is so bright you wouldn't believe it. It's like a little laser light. Let's get it in the dark and I'll show you what it looks like. So this is what this bad boy looks like. It's, really can't pick it up on camera. In the front here, there's like a laser beam. It's emitting from the top. It's so bright, you can't even believe it. It's amazing how it reflects in the water and makes it really, really bright. So I think this is going to be visible from a good distance. I think it's going to work out good. And there's probably, I don't know, maybe $8 or $9 in supplies here, including the light, you know, so pretty cheap, not bad. I think it's pretty cool. I think it's the first on YouTube, a water bottle laser light for the kayak. I could be wrong though. Anyways, give it a shot guys, it's pretty cool. I'm gonna show you how I got this to fit my mast. I'm actually gonna use it in one of my rod holders to the side here, okay? It's gonna fit in there pretty much just like that. Okay, basically this is duct tape. I have 11 revolutions on the bottom, 12 on the top, 11 revolutions so that it will slide by my little zip tie that I have my pipe. Okay, so the first one's gonna slide by and the other one's gonna catch up on it and snug it up, like so. That's gonna drop by and this one's gonna just snug it up perfect like that. And that's tight, pretty tight. Okay, so we've got a 1-inch stainless steel screw. Okay, so pretty much flush. You can just file off the little tip that sticks through if you want. Okay, that's working pretty good. That's it. Let's take a look at it tonight and we'll see what it looks like. Okay guys, so this is what the laser light looks like at night. As you can see, it's like bit of a laser beam there. You really can't see what's going on, but it's so bright, it's crazy. Especially when it's swishing back and forth. The camera's really not picking it up. It's really, really cool. You can see the flash in the background, but it's pretty bright. It's off, like I said. On, I have to silicone this into place here. Okay, and this is gonna just unscrew off. I'm gonna put some reflective tape on this, probably put a flag on it, and that's gonna be a done deal. So thanks again for watching, and my next vid is gonna be on my Perception hook 10.5 and all the fishing hacks that I've done to this kayak. A lot of pretty cool things I've done. I've got an umbrella rig, amongst other things. I've got a depth finder, a lot of stuff. So hope to see you guys tune in on the next vid. And that's it. Rock and roll, guys. Thanks for watching.